Now, let's look at the various types of constitution. A constitution may be written or unwritten. In India, we have a written constitution that systematically and meticulously lays down the scheme of the governance. However, some countries, such as the United Kingdom, have unwritten constitution. As with the difference in medium of expression, there are differences in the working as well. In countries with written constitutions, the constitution reigns supreme. However, in countries with unwritten constitutions, the legislative body, such as the Parliament in the UK, reigns supreme, which is often referred to as parliamentary supremacy. Similarly, while unwritten constitutions are generally very flexible, written constitutions are usually rigid. The reason for this goes down to parliamentary supremacy and its limitation under a written constitution. Even though we have a written constitution, there are strands of parliamentary supremacy in our constitution as well. That is, however, for another day. Similarly, constitutions could be classified on the basis of the government it establishes as well. Our constitution establishes a republican form of government. In a republican form of government, the head of the state is elected as opposed to being appointed. People are also vested with significant power to participate in the working of their government. As a result, our constitution could be referred to as a republican constitution. In contrast, a constitutional monarchy usually has its head of the state appointed on the basis of heredity. The role of people in their working are also limited. However, in recent times, several constitutional monarchies have sought to overcome this criticism by appointing representative bodies. A different sort of classification may again be drawn on the basis of the government that the constitution establishes. If the constitution establishes governments as opposed to a singular government, the constitution is referred to as a federal constitution. However, if only one government is established by the constitution, such a constitution is a unitary constitution. The essence of this classification is the sharing of power between various levels of governments. A further classification could be drawn on the basis of judicial review as political and legal constitution. Political constitutions normally favor elected majority, while legal constitutions empower the court in relation to interpreting and upholding the constitution.